Hey, the practice that we are doing today is guided meditation for finding happiness. And we are starting by finding a comfortable seated position where you can keep your spine straight and long. And optionally, you can also lean onto a wall. Just make sure that in that case also you are able to keep your spine straight. Then you can close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. So just few rounds, breathe in and out normally as you usually do, without changing anything about your breath. Just notice your breath and how it flows in and out. And then as you inhale, start counting to 4. Then hold your breath counting for 4. And exhale slowly, counting to 8. And repeat this, breathing in, count for 4. Holding the breath, count for 4. And then breathe out and count to 8. Just get familiar with this breathing pattern, counting for 4, 4, and 8. And then slowly bring your attention to your face. Peel away any tension from your face, your jaw, your eyes, maybe your forehead. Just relax your face. Let it relax and soften. And once your face is all relaxed, try to smile. Just relaxed smile on your face. Just focus on something that makes you happy. Maybe some memory from the past or feeling. Try to have relaxed smile on your face. Also notice how the other parts of your body are feeling. Is there any tension? Maybe let the smile on your face soften all the other areas from your body as well. And scan your body like this. Spot the tension, if there is any, and try to smile it away. Allow all your muscles relax. And then bring your awareness to your heart and feel how the smile brings happiness into your heart. Maybe you feel warm feelings in your heart. Maybe you see some colors. Just for a few moments, focus on the love that you can feel on your heart. And throughout your day, so you would be able to stay in this happy state, you can repeat these affirmations. I am happy. It is easy for me to be happy and smile often. I am responsible for my happiness. Happiness comes easily to me. I smile to the world, and the whole world smiles with me. Now bring your awareness back onto your face. How are you feeling? Do you feel happier than when you started this exercise today? Then start bringing your awareness to your whole body. Maybe you want to bring a little bit movement into your body, your fingers and your toes. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes and continue on with your day. Namaste.